Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Hack. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in and then link your Xbox Series X account over to Twitch. And this is actually really easy. So you can do this to live stream on your Xbox Series X. So if I press the Xbox button, then go on over to captures and shares, I can go to live stream and start your stream. And then my Twitch account will be listed under here already. And then I can just go to go live now and I can start streaming on Twitch. So to link your account, we want to go up to the top, go to settings, then go to account, go to the right and go to link to social accounts. Then under here you can find things like Discord. If you link your Discord account, you can do the party chat. And then here is Twitch. Just go to link to Twitch and then you can show your Twitch account on your profile as well, or your Xbox Series X account over on Twitch. And once you have that linked, just follow the steps on your phone and you can sign in. You can go to a web browser on the PC. But once you have this connected, it'll automatically be linked now over to the streaming section and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.